In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your HubSpot tracking code. If you want HubSpot to measure traffic, user behavior, and conversions on your website, you'll need to add its tracking code. Let's walk through it together, step by step, in a clear and simple way. First, open your HubSpot dashboard and click the settings icon at the top right of the screen. This takes you into the main settings area where everything related to your account and tracking lives. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has the right permissions to access tracking settings. Most standard admin roles will have what you need. On the left-hand panel, look for the Account Setup section. Within that section, select Tracking Code. This is the dedicated place in HubSpot where your site's tracking script is stored. As soon as you open it, you'll see an embed code provided by HubSpot. It's a small JavaScript snippet designed to collect analytics across your pages. Go ahead and copy that code exactly as it appears. You don't need to modify it. Now, you'll add it to your website. Paste the embed code just before the closing body tag, which looks like this. Placing it just before that tag ensures the rest of your content loads first, while still giving HubSpot full visibility into user interactions. If you're using a website builder or CMS, look for a global footer, site-wide custom code area, or theme settings where you can add code to the footer. If you manage your site's files directly, open the template that controls your pages and paste the snippet right above the closing tag. Be careful not to change anything inside the code itself. After pasting, save and publish your changes. From there, HubSpot will begin tracking visits, sessions, pages viewed, and more. It may take a few minutes for data to appear, especially on a newly installed site, so don't worry if you don't see numbers immediately. Once it's active, you'll be able to access analytics within HubSpot to understand where your traffic comes from, which pages perform best, and how users move through your site. And that's it. Click the settings icon, go to Account Setup, select Tracking Code, copy the embed code, and paste it before the closing body tag on your website. This simple addition unlocks powerful analytics inside HubSpot, helping you make smarter, data-driven decisions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your tracking set up with confidence.